Good afternoon, student. Here I am Dr. Kshatriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Agriculture, Extension and Education. Welcome in our today's class in the course number Elective Extension 244, course title Agricultural Journalism, credit 2+1, that is 3. And today we are going to discuss subtopic under the second chapter Agricultural Journalism. This is our third theory lecture. So let's start. Prospectus in Agriculture Journalism. So prospectus means what is giving the outline of agriculture journalism. So first point here I want to discuss, that is whatever the scientist, extension worker, agriculturalist, farmers who are working in this agricultural field, they can offer or they can express their viewpoints or their thought or their article or any other things, interview or whatever it may be. They can perform all these things with the help of radio, newspaper, television and other media. Okay, so they can talk or write through this journalism. Means here what? They promote information or they promote any other things to the farmer community or those people who are in this agriculture field directly. Okay, with the help of radio and newspaper. Then second point, be more attended to gender in broadcasting and journalism. Gender means what? Here the male and female is there. So rural women are not that much visible in this in this media. They cannot or they are not that much visible to use this media. Okay, so there is a gender broadcasting is with the help of journalism is by participating or by giving any interview or any viewpoint with the rural women to the farmer community is very essential. Then create agricultural information center at village level. You know very well what is the agricultural information centers. This type of this agriculture information centers provide the all the information related to the agriculture to the farmers, which revolve around creating platform where communities can document their knowledge, listen and learn together. Okay, there is a lot of agriculture information center there. ATIC is there, Agriculture Technology Communication Center. Okay, Atma is there. Okay, Agriculture Technology Management Agency. So like that centers are there at a single window system at a district level. So the farmer can go and take the information, okay, related to the agriculture. So that is thing is here. Then development organization should make more effort to the transport journalists to visit projects in return for giving the greater coverage to the agriculture. There is a various development organization is there. Okay, so journalists or go with that particular organization, okay, visit their projects which are work for the agriculture and take the coverage. Coverage means what? They taking the information from that particular organization and they spread or they transfer or disseminate that particular information up to the farmer. That is one of the thing is here. Then second, then next prospectus is what? To promote more participatory media. What is this participatory media is there? Participatory means what? People are participating. People are come together. That is a participation. Media is what? It is the one of the platform or it is one of the channel or it is one of the media through that people can express their thoughts. Okay, they can solve their problem. So participatory media, they can ask question. You know very well there is a lot of things are there. Participatory media, there wiki is there, blogs are there, Twitter is there. Okay, then other social media is there. So this is the one of the platform is there, so people can ask question and get the answers related to particular social issue. A participatory radio and video. So participatory radio is what? Here participatory radio is what? Here people are come together. What kind of the people who are initiative, who are interested to do something for the community or social that particular society. So they taken the initiative to start this radio and to solve the problem of the particular farmer on this spot. That is your participatory radio. Then next prospectus is what? Use of innovative approaches for communicating agriculture information. There is a lot of innovative approaches are there. Okay, already I told participatory approach is there. Again, ICT is there, information communication technology. Under this information communication technology, there are a lot of things are there. Okay, so we can communicate with the farmer instantly. Okay, within the limited time and to the lot of people. That is to giving the agriculture information through this different kind of the approaches. Then going public approaches piloted by the global plant cleaning and CABI. What is this CABI is there? CABI is what? Center for Agriculture and Bioscience International. That is the full form of CABI, CABI. So this is the one of the public approach piloted by the public approach. And what is the role of this CABI or Center for Agriculture and Bioscience International? Here to encourage the information or to exchange at the marketplaces. Again, it is a work for whom? For the farmers and the farming community. So whatever the problem related to the farmer or farming community, that will be the solve, or that kind of the information is available on this site. That is https://www.cabi.org. You can visit this site and take the information related to this Center for Agriculture and Bioscience International. Okay, so this is the one of the prospectus. Then next is a very important point is here, community radio. So what is the community radio? It is again a community radio is what? It is organized by the people. Which people? Local people who are living in that particular geographical area. Suppose I am living in the Aurangabad area. So people in this Aurangabad area, they are come together and they form this community radio for the sake of what? Their community people, to solve the problem of community and to give the information related to the particular agriculture or particular field to that particular community people. Okay, so where the other national and regional level programs can't reach, on that places this community radio is launched. So it supported by the tapes, flyers and additional information to the remote communities. So Aurangabad is suppose in Aurangabad there is a MGM College of Journalism and Mass Media College is there. So he have the community radio, that is 90.8 FM at Aurangabad level. So he provide the information to the whatever the villages or whatever the places comes under the Aurangabad. Okay, so he reach up to the remote areas, try to reach up to the remote areas. So what is this 90.8 FM? FM means what? Frequency modulation. There is again types of radio is there. We will discuss in the practical classes. So in total in our India 251 operational community radio is present at this point. Okay, so this is one of the prospectus, that is a community radio. Okay, you understand what is a community radio? It is a community radio is what? It is organized by the local people in that particular geographical area for the people, that particular community people. Okay, where the regional and national level programs or it not reach. That is thing is here. The next prospectus is what? The Indian rural press. Indian rural press is largely developing as there is a further scope for development. There is a very essential thing is there. You know very well there is Indian press is there, but Indian rural press, you know there is a lot of local paper are there, lot of, okay, paper are there. So that paper, what the role of that papers? They giving the information related to their particular village level. Okay, if any for example, we are taking the example of agriculture. So they giving the information related to the agriculture in their area. That information is not published at the district level or the regional level papers. So that is the thing is here. So it is one of the scope for development, that is the Indian rural press. Then next is the rate of literacy in India is increasing day by day. As we seen in the previous class, it is about 35% people are illiterate in India. So it's quite less rate as compared to previous years. So that is it is increasing literacy rate day by day. People are aware about the education. Okay, that adult education also is in our India. So day by day it is increasing. The attitude of journalists and editors about the agriculture messages is also changing in a favorable direction. So those people means who? Journalists and editors. Okay, they are changing their attitude. Attitude means what? Favorable and unfavorable direction or thoughts towards any particular thing. So they are changing their attitude towards the agriculture. So they are giving the positive messages of agriculture to the farmer through the newspaper and other media. Okay, so that is one of the prospectus of the agriculture journalism. Then next is the technological development in various media helps in the supplying agriculture information to the remote places. So whatever the technology development is in there in various media, that is not only the print media, mass media and social media also. So what is the role of this? To supplying the agriculture information not only to the village level, district level, regional level, national level, also where the people can't reach. Okay, that is a remote area where is the transport facility also not there. So it trying to reach, or they can develop this technology to reach up to the remote area. Okay, then farm journalists are coming together. Whatever the farm journalists are there, they are coming together to work together and to improve the information and to disseminate the information related to the agriculture to the farmers. That is one of the prospectus is there. So this is about our today's class. This is the one point remaining from the second chapter that I cover here. So this is references where I took the information of where you can take the more information regarding your this course. So journalism, that is a farm journalism and communication skills by the G.L. Ray and Sagar Mandal. This is one of the book. Then broadcast journalism, basic principle by S.C. Bhatt. Again, whatever this CABI, I given the one of the example there. So that information taken from this website. So these are the references, and this is the one of the point that is the prospectus in agriculture journalism we completed today. So in next class we are going to discuss about the scope, nature of the agriculture journalism. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the Google Classroom. Again, after completing our agriculture journalism chapter, I will give the assignment on Saturday, and you should complete the practical assignment whatever I given in the Google Classroom. Thank you.